Damn, Dior.
Yeah. Yeah. Bitch, I love you, but we can't keep doing this. If I don't got these perks.
Alright, babes. In the car with my weedy. Anyways, y'all. So right now, I am putting this food in my car. But what I'm really doing is grabbing all the junk I have. Well, not the junk, but like the clothes I have in my car. I'm taking these out, y'all, because what we're about to go do is clean my car. So I need to get all of these clothes. Well, they're not even clothes. It's just like my jackets. But I gotta get this stuff out of here so that when I clean my car, it's clean and it's just the end of the story. But yes, y'all, so that's the update. So after this, you guys will be seeing me clean the car. All right, y'all, I'm in the car. I'm about to go get some gas. Also, y'all, I got a new car since I've been vlogging. I did get a new car, so it looks different. It's gonna look different as I'm cleaning it out. So I just wanted to give you guys that fair little update. But yeah, I'm really just taking you guys along on the day. I'm not too sure how things are gonna go. I just know that we're about to go clean the car, so let's just start off with that, to be honest. But I took all the clothes and stuff out of the back seat, so McDonald's.
Only can rescue me. This is my prayer.
I literally like passed the McDonald's and I turned around because I'm just like, you know what? We don't need no copyright. But I turned around and I'm like, you know what? I am craving this, so it better help me study better. But now, y'all, we on the way to the school.
If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go to heaven. Cherish the day. Won't go astray.
What's up, Ray babes? So right now I'm waiting on my beautiful homegirl to get in the car. Here we go. Here we go.
That's gonna be on your vlog.
So y'all, we about to go get some pancakes. Hi. Oh, yes, please. Oh, it's not even that busy either.
That's what that lady said.
Yeah. Y'all, so our food came. And it looks good. We're gonna munch.
She talking about we finna munch.
Yeah.